All right, guys, hey, if you want to see some trucks here at Street Side Classics, stay tuned. We're going to go through all the trucks that they have in here, and they've got them from 1942 to present day. And they got a couple Volkswagens back there that we'll take a quick gander through as well, but that won't be till the end. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey guys, we're back here at Street Side, and one of the things Street Side has, we have looked at all these cars, and I say cars, we never looked at the trucks. So we're here today to look at any of the trucks that they have. So we're just going to take a quick walk through. All these are for sale, by the way, and let's just take a quick look, starting with this Jeep. So this is a 1984 Jeep Renegade. It's a Jeep Renegade silver with black. It's a 4-speed, 4.2 liter. It's really beautiful. It does not say if it's original or not. I don't know if it's been redone or if it's rebuilt. It just says what it is. And then next to it we have a 1969 Land Rover Series 2A. Has a 2.25 liter 4-cylinder 4-speed manual. It's dark green. Has 48,000 original miles. Aluminum body. It's the Santana model. It does have power brakes. Here's a winch up front. So there's the winch controller right there. It's a 70th edition, 1948 to 2018, 70th edition. Why does it say 69? That must be something somebody screwed on there. But it says it's a 69. Interior has the 3-seat bench seat across. And these things will pretty much go through anywhere. It's got the canvas roof on it, the canvas top. Got a hitch, and right next to it is a rebuilt, restored second gen, I believe, second gen Bronco. It's 1970, medium blue metallic, has the 302 V8. It is a 4-speed manual, so it has the original 302 size motor in it. Don't know if it's the original motor. Doesn't say numbers matching. Oversized tires, a lift kit. It's got the hard top, removable hard top. Interior leather has been redone. Actually, the whole interior has been redone. So really nice non-factory steering wheel. And then next to it, you guys, a lot of times you say, hey, if you see a Toyota Land Cruiser, make sure you get it. So here's a 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser. It's got 4.2 liter inline 6 4-speed manual. It's blue and cream and gray. It's got power steering, cold air or cold AC. It does have the standard Land Cruiser wide seating in the back. So it's kind of like safari seating back there. It looks pretty stock to me. I don't think you'll ever do 160 mile an hour on there, but you know, they're pretty optimistic. It's got stereo. Very cool. And then here is another 1977 Bronco. Obviously this one is jacked up, different bumpers on it, got lift kit, all kinds of suspension stuff going on. It's got 33s on it. It's got the fender flares. Now these have a hinged front roof that will, or front windshield that will go down. Nobody ever puts them down, but as you can see, there is a hinge there, and that's why these are here. So when it comes down, it lays down on there. Does look like it has the removable roof on it. Interior has different seats, black seats, full roll cage in here. There's your shifter, 4-wheel drive, aftermarket tilt steering. Backup lighting. Custom bumpers again. So, really cool classic vehicles. And here comes the classic truck coming in. Nice square body, short bed square body. And I saw, but it looks like it's gone now. Yep, there was another pickup truck. So now you have another Ford right here. '72 Ranger 4x4. Ford F-250 Ranger. Green interior. 4-speed. Sliding glass roof. Looks like it has dual tanks in it. Lift kit. Very nice. Very nice. And then behind it, I think this is a Dodge panel truck. Let's look inside. I don't know. Oh, Chevy. Sorry guys. Chevy, my mistake. But these are the same color, so maybe whoever owned that also owned this. I don't know. But it's a Chevy panel truck. Interior has all new bed. Interior is really nicely done. Brown with brown seating. Outside here looks really nice. Like the green. It's got the barn doors in the back. What year is this? 1946. It's a 1946 3-speed manual, and it's got a 216 inline 6. There's a lifted Bronco. What year is this one? XLT 94 lifted Bronco. A couple other lifted Fords right there. Here's a real long bed. What year is this? F-250 Ranger Lariat, 1979. It's got the 400 V8. It's got a 4-speed manual and 4-wheel drive, original color. It has a Marty report that goes with it. That's an original color. Got some big meats on those. Here's another lifted. This is a 1968 F-250 4x4. It's got a 240 cubic inch inline 6, 4-speed. It's Harbor Blue. Only has 20,000 miles supposedly on it. Inline 6, rare and real 4x4 highway truck. It's got a winch on it. You can see it's lifted. These are some nice classic pickup trucks. Talking about conversion vans, when we went to the van museum the other day, here's a nice conversion van from Chevy. It's a 1992 G20 conversion van. And this is what we were talking about. These now are illegal to build from factories. They can't sell these on dealerships anymore because of these big windows in the back. And the captain chairs supposedly aren't safe. There's a safety issue according to National Highway Transportation. There is a issue with captain chairs. Now, my family owned one of these. We never had any issues with it. This is built on a Chevy 20 van. You can see all the old school wood grain. Everybody had all this stuff in it. Here's the big windows that you can't have anymore. They call them a safety item. This is a Mark III van, probably built right here in Florida. Mark III was a van manufacturer that was up on I-75. Here's another lifted F-150 Ranger. Big old bench seat in there. I want to say a 78, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see when we get up there. It's got cup holders, aftermarket stereo, air conditioning. There's the bed, 8-foot bed, lifted probably what, 4 inches? I don't know. I'm 6'2", so it's lifted pretty high. It's a 1978 F-150. It's got the V8 in it, 3-speed. So I can't see how. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear end, leaf springs, 37-inch tires. Can't tell you, it's probably a 4-inch lift on this, but pretty nice, pretty old school to me, very old school truck. And then here's a Chevy square body. This also has a big lift kit in it, as you can see underneath. Old school roll bar. Silverado edition. Silverado 10. I don't know what year it is. We've got a 1994 Chevy C10 with a patina paint job, blue patina. It's got a 383 stroker V8, 3-speed automatic, and it's pretty much clear coated. I think it's clear coated. I don't know if that's oil or clear coat. I think it's clear coat. So, a couple more trucks that are here. Here's a 5.9 or 5.3 liter Vortec Z71 right there. Nice. You don't see a lot of those. The Harley Davidson F-150. So here's a Harley Davidson F-150. I don't even know, do they still make the Harley Davidson editions? But this is a real Harley Davidson edition. So if you are somebody who loves Harleys and loves trucks and loves cars, you got the Harley Davidson edition right here. 5.4 liter V8, supercharged. '42 Ford pickup resto mod. Now here's the funny thing, guys. It's a 42, and during the war, a lot of vehicles weren't made. That's why you see so many 1940 Fords, but you don't see a lot of 41, 42, 43, 44, because all Ford and Chrysler, everybody started making airplanes and tanks and everything. So this is a pretty rare, if it's a 42, it's a pretty rare truck. But they did make trucks because pickup trucks were used by the military and by the government. So they still had to make pickup trucks. And so this is a pickup truck that was made during the war, a 1942, made into a resto mod. And when I say the war, I'm not talking the Gulf War, we're talking World War II. I forget sometimes that people may not think of, when we speak of the war back in the 40s, we're talking World War II. Really nice, really nice. And let's see, did they change the engine in this? This thing is powered by a 351 Windsor V8. So yes, they didn't have 351 Windsor V8s back in the day. So this probably had a 6-cylinder at the time, but or an inline 4, an inline 6, but now it's got a Windsor V8. April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.
Where it says merchandise store right here, merchandise store link, you will see it says https:/junkyards-barn-finds, and you click on that and it's going to take you here.